Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another Shake It, Scrap It, Create It. So this week's prompts were edge distressing, pattern paper, and the number 5. And I'm also combining this with how to kill a kit with style. And if you have been watching this month, you know that I am using the Be Happy collection by Echo Park. So, we're going to put this together. I have already distressed my edges just using my little distress tool. I don't know where it went. It went somewhere. Anyways, so I already distressed my edges. I'm using some pictures from the garden, and I just picked bits and pieces of stuff. Of course, I have paper from my collection. I'm going to use this cut apart. It says, "Pardon the weeds, I'm feeding the bees." And I don't really have any good up-close pictures of bees this year, so I'm just going to use my butterfly and my flower. My yard looks like a jungle from all the drought and all the rain, which makes no sense. I have some little extra hearts that were left over, some of my printable things, and I have this that you guys already saw that was made for me by Lee. This is another one of her embellishments that she made me. And this actually fell off of a memory decks card someone created for me a long time ago. And I don't know where it really went or anything. And it was just laying in my bucket, so I figured, hey, I'm going to use it up and be done. And just repurpose it, because I don't know where it goes, or if I even still have that memory decks card that it came off of. So, let's work on gluing stuff down. I don't really have, I just kind of took like scraps I have left, things like that, and just started laying them down on the paper. Because I really don't have a whole lot of anything in mind when it comes to this layout. But I apologize for being late. I've had a lot going on at my house, and I apologize for my voice because I feel like I'm starting to get sick or something. My throat's hurting, but it's allergy season, so y'all know how that goes. So I'm just going to keep this simple with how I'm placing my paper. So I have that one there. I'm going to go across with this one. And it was so hard to use this paper with all these cut aparts on the back. But I thought, you know what? I really need to use this paper up. And I can't use every single cut apart in the collection. And it has been kind of hard this month to figure out. I'm going to go ahead and glue these photos on. Something is going on with my printer. My power went out and it, of course, shut down my printer. And now it is leaking little yellow drops on my photos. And on the back, there's the magenta, so streaks. So I don't know what's going on with it. I may have to do some surgery on it or something. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put this on. It's been kind of hard this month to use a bee theme, but not necessarily use it with bee stuff. Oh yeah, and I have these. These were the papers that I used on a different page that were left over laying on my desk, and I have been trying really hard to just use up my scraps. And if I have any left over, I have been trying to be good about cutting them down immediately and putting them away. Because if y'all saw in the group not too long ago, y'all saw my big old pile and Pip was holding it down. And it was a huge pile. So I'm going to put this on here like this. Press it down. Got to be a little rough with it because of all the, where I edge distressed it, it popped it up just a little bit. And then I have this honeycomb. This was a printable from the B-Day Bash. And I'm just going to put this here. And use this embellishment, I think, here. Maybe. I think I'm going to put my title here. And then maybe I'll put this here. Okay, yeah, that works. That works good. Okay, I'm going to glue this down. So, y'all are going to see this on Monday instead of Sunday. And again, I apologize. So, my regularly scheduled 52 weeks of photos that I normally post on Monday will now go up tomorrow. So, FYI, I'm a day behind, a day late, and $1 short. But I'm hoping to be back on track for the weekend. I know it's time to almost wrap it up. I can't believe August is already gone. If you have any ideas for themes or just in general what you would like me to see me create for my kit for September, I would love ideas. You can send me a message or you can post over on the Facebook group, because I am slap out of ideas and I just don't know. I want to film stuff that y'all want to see. And so, let's just, I need suggestions, like for real. So, I'm going to just put these in a line here. And like I said, this is just about me trying to use up all the things. To use up all the things on my table. All the little bits and pieces. I still have a whole tray of bee stuff, and I may just bag it up at the end and post, and whoever comments first gets it or something, because like I said, I have a lot of bee stuff. So I also cut this little strip. I'm thinking I was just gonna add it so that I can just pretty much put, this was in my backyard, and the date, so I will at least know. It's fun comparing my pictures from year to year and seeing what all flowers I had that actually came back. I said this year was my survival of the fittest year, so it's literally a jungle out there, and the things that are surviving are not the things I want. So I'm going to do some serious yard work at some point. I'm also going to add, I think, my sequins, because I had to have the number 5, and I tried to make it work and think, okay, what do I have 5 of on here? But, so I'm just going to add, I think I'm just going to add, my glue don't want to come out. I'm just going to add a few, I'm going to add 5 sequins. So I think I'll do 2 up there and 3 down here and call it good. So, let's see here. And let me find a little one. Do different sizes. And that's pretty much going to be the layout. So, really easy. I can still do my little, put the yard and the date on there. But that was created super quick just by using scraps on my table. And if anyone knows why my printer is leaking ink after being the power going out and it resetting, let me know. I haven't had any problems with it in the almost 2 years that I've had it, so I don't know. So we need to shape for next week's prompts. So first up, techniques and tools. It's getting kind of low, but let's see, paper tearing, and then we have embellishments, and we got metal. So you could use like metallic paper, little metal charms, shapes, colors, numbers. This one's almost empty too. And we got the color black. So black, metal, and paper tearing are our prompts for next week. If you play along, come over and join the Facebook group. Post over there in the album and be entered to win some Happy Mail. It's probably going to be Happy Mail. Just FYI. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that it inspired you, and you will go check out everyone else playing along. And until next time, bye y'all.